Hello, everyone. Welcome to Court with Krissy. If this sovereign citizen has not faced charges in your state, I bet one of his 5 bank accounts you're next on his travel bucket list. I hope you like it. Court with Krissy is now in session.
Thank you.
Yeah, Your Honor, we could go to jail court's iPhone. That's gonna be position number 13.
This is Peter Theodore at Jail Court iPhone. Mr. Theodore, my name is Judge Lall. Please remember that you have a right to remain silent. Anything you say in open court, your statements can and will be used against you. You have a right to an attorney, and representing you presently is Mr. Chatay. You are accused of simple battery. Is that correct? You are accused of simple battery and criminal trespass from February 13th, 2025, under case number 25 CR 779E. Any priors, Mr. Howard?
39, 2022 violation of protection order conviction, 2020 obstructing court order, 2019 FTA, 2018 assault conviction, 2 FTAs from 2018, 2017 contempt of court, unlawful entry conviction, harassment conviction, 2016 telephone harassment conviction.
That's good. That's good. Thank you. Ms. Allen, anything to add?
Your Honor, my understanding is that this gentleman was offered the opportunity to speak to Mr. McClain today, and he did not want to. He wants to represent himself.
Oh, okay.
He's got history out of Virginia, Kentucky, Ohio, and Washington, D.C. His most recent is a felony terroristic threats arrest out of Kentucky in 2023, and you heard about some other issues. In this case, Your Honor, at about between 8 and 9 in the morning at 267 Marietta Street, downtown. That's the Embassy Suites, and specifically the Starbucks there at the location. The defendant came inside the Starbucks and was encountered by security officer James Curry, who told him he needed to leave. He'd been previously asked to leave the location, and in response, this defendant became angry and punched the security guard in the chest, knocking him to the ground. There were multiple witnesses present, and it was captured on surveillance. He was taken into custody, and now we are here. There's some concerns about competency, Your Honor, if I'm being honest. We're asking for a $4,000 surety. It does not appear this gentleman has any ties to Atlanta, but in fact has the ability to travel and commit crimes in multiple jurisdictions. In order to stay away from that location, 267 Marietta Street Northwest, regardless of whether it's the Embassy Suites or the Starbucks, no drugs, alcohol, or weapons, and we'd request a social worker visit.
Memphis Mexican President Peter Theodore, Memphis Mexican Vice President Peter Theodore, plead not guilty.
All right, sir. Mr. Chatay, from what I gathered, Mr. Theodore has declined the representation from the Public Defender's Office. Is that correct?
I wouldn't know.
Excuse me.
Just to talk to him, and it looks like this is Mr. McClain's client.
All right, let me ask. Mr. Peter Theodore, do you want to be represented by the Public Defender's Office?
No, I have 5 bank accounts that have multiple dollars in them.
Okay.
I don't need to hire an attorney. I just want to set a bench trial. Thank you. I'll represent.
All right, sir. On the simple battery is $2,000. On the criminal trespass is $2,000. This is a $4,000 surety bond to stay 500 yards away from the Embassy Suites located at 267 Marietta Street, as well as the Starbucks store in that location, and to stay 200 yards away from James Curry. No illegal drugs, no alcohol, and no weapons. And please make sure that you provide the court with a current mailing address. We presently don't have one. And that way, once you make bond, we'll be able to send you notice for your next court date.
Well, hang on. Where do I go for court? Where's the bench trial for this case?
The bench trial will be held at the Fulton County State Court, and the bench trial date has not been set. You will get notice when we have it scheduled. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. No further questions.